Okay, hello everyone. So, before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Lagrama, and today I will be summarizing the chapter 5 from Violence to Videos. Before I begin, I would like to place a question here. This will be answered after we are done with the discussion. So, the question will be, what connects a 400-year-old violin to your smartphone? Yes. So by the end of our 5-minute discussion, you will know why they're mathematically identical and why that changed everything. Yes. So um, Before I begin, this will be our learning objectives. So by the end of this presentation, participants will be able to explain the connection between violin string, mathematics, and modern wireless technology. Next is to understand why pure mathematics often led to practical breakthroughs, and then recognize how the same mathematical patterns appear across different phenomena. Next is to evaluate the importance of supporting research without immediate applications. And lastly, to appreciate how mathematically curiosity drives technological innovation. So let's start. The question nobody asked in the 60s. So in the 60s, mathematicians became fascinated by violin strings. So not to improve music, but because the math was beautiful for them. So they discovered that string vibrations follow a precise mathematical pattern called the wave equation. So yes, the wave equation. The same math everywhere. Guys, the same wave equation started appearing everywhere. So the drums, water waves, and also sound. So mathematics was revealing that completely different phenomena shared identical underlying patterns. And then the shocking discovery of Faraday and Maxwell. So meanwhile, Faraday proved electricity and magnetism were the same force, Maxwell translated this into mathematics and incredibly outpopped the exact same wave equation from violin strings 200 years ago. And then the Maxwell's revolutionary insight. So Maxwell's math predicted something amazing. If light is an electromagnetic wave, then other invisible electromagnetic waves at different frequencies must exist. So radio waves, microwaves, they are all waiting to be discovered as well. So next is from theory to your pocket. So Hertz proved Maxwell right in 1886. So Marconi invented wireless communication. And then by 1901, the first radio crossed the Atlantic. And then today, every text, every video call, and every Wi-Fi signal uses the same violin string mathematics. So yes, so remember, Hertz proves radio waves exist in 1886. In 1895, Marconi invested the wireless telegraphy. And then 1901, first transatlantic radio. And then today, every wireless devices we use. So next, hidden unity revealed. So here's the beautiful truth, guys. So the wave created by plucking a violin string and the signal carrying data to your phone are mathematically identical. So they have the same pattern but different frequency. And then mathematics revealed nature's hidden unity. Okay, so what useless math will change tomorrow? So the lesson, right? So mathematicians are studying problems that seem completely useless. So number theory, topology, abstract concepts with no apparent purpose. And then, what if one of these becomes the foundation of technologies we can't even imagine? And then, in conclusion, the thread connecting past to future. So remember, guys, every wireless signal began with curiosity about violin strings. And then next time, when you send a text or stream a video, so remember, it all started with mathematicians wondering why violin strings make beautiful sounds. And then sometimes the most useless curiosity creates the most useful discovery. So I think that will be all for this summary of chapter 5. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this topic, because I do really love this topic, since my favorite instrument is the violin, and I was really glad nga naani siya nga topic sa math di ay like karon po ka discover nga ni gid siya. So importante gid kaayo ang mga frequency, ang mga wavelength, kay dito kay nagsugod tanan sa ato ang modern nga technologies. So yes, I do really hope nga nakasabot ka mo sa summary, and I will see you guys on the next video.